I'll guide you through how to push code to GitHub for Visual Studio. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and go to www.github.com. Wait for the homepage to fully load. Click Sign In and enter your username and password. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up and complete the registration. Once logged in, click the plus icon at the top right and choose New Repository. Enter a name and click Create Repository. Copy the repository URL shown on the next screen. Next, open a new tab and go to git-scm.com. Select your operating system, download the installer, and follow the setup instructions. After installing Git, open your code editor and open the terminal inside your project folder. Run git init to create a local Git repository. Then run git add to track all files. Commit them with git commit-m initial commit. Connect to the remote repository using git remote add origin, then your repo URL. Run git remote-v to confirm the connection. Finally, push the project using git push origin master. Go back to GitHub and refresh the page to see your code.